I will be doing that, but first I wanted, now that it's already with the Sangguniang, I want the Sangguniang to also handle that. I will eventually call him because what happened is really not acceptable.
Very bad.
Yes, just give me time, but we're just studying the situation. No, you're all aware, because there was a video that was on Facebook showing the altercation that took place in barangay, in Lapaz. It had to do with the Kapitan Martin.
Yes.
Kapitan Martin. Please understand that the people who he had an altercation with, okay, were minors. Okay, and when they were confronted by Martin, they went and called their respective parents, the mothers. Okay, they came here to explain to me about what happened. Okay, please be aware that when they came to me, they had already contacted the Sangguniang and already said that they would bring up the case with the Sangguniang. I had nothing to do with them making a case before the Sangguniang. Not only that, they already said to me that they were also filing a case in the courts. Okay, so when they came to me, they already informed me of the fact that they had already elevated the case to the Sangguniang and that they had already filed in court. And then they asked me if I would support them, and I said, there's due process. Okay, so just let due process unfold. But of course, what happened is not good. Okay, and I'm standing with the family, but due process must take place. Okay, and what was said by the that I'm taking a certain approach by having the case brought before the Sangguniang. I had nothing to do with that. The family already did that before they came and saw me. Okay? So I'm just setting the record straight. Okay? Siyempre, what took place is not right. And what the family did by filing it in court and filing it in the Sangguniang is their prerogative. Okay? So, that's it.
But Mayor, Vice Mayor Carlos Fariñas told us yesterday that you're playing safe now.
What do you mean I'm playing safe? I had nothing to do with the family elevating it to the Sangguniang.
Na supposedly you have the jurisdiction to
what?
Naayusin ito, ganun, and then you're playing safe after
No,
that.
not at all. Because you must understand, when they came to see me, they already informed me that they had already elevated it to the Sangguniang. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, just let the process take place. It's as simple as that. And then let's see what happens.
But do you have any plan to call Kapitan Martin?
I will be doing that, but first I wanted, now that it's already with the Sangguniang, I want the Sangguniang to also handle that. I will eventually call him because what happened is really not acceptable.
Very bad.
Yes, just give me time, but we're just studying the situation. Okay?